Happy birthday to you if it is your birthday today, and welcome back to LEX 18 News at Sunrise. And today, we are at Lexmark, of course, one of the crowning jewels of Central Kentucky's industry. And this particular place is called the Printing and Solutions Showcase. And with us today is Ellen. Hello, how are you?
How are you doing today?
Good to see you. What is this place exactly? I know it looks fascinating. What are we looking at?
This is our Printing and Solutions Showcase. And when our customers come in to learn about Lexmark and what Lexmark can do to help our customers print less and save more, we bring them here to our Printing and Solutions Showcase.
So, now, this particular area is set up for the basic consumer, I take it.
This is our consumer products area, and actually over where the cameraman was just looking is our typical products that work in our home and for school students. But our new line is our professional series, and we have really upgraded our printers in this particular area for small business and home offices. They can scan, fax, print, duplex, print off of USB drives. They can basically do just about anything some of the laser printers can do.
So this is stuff that, of course, 5-10 years ago, you'd have to be at a major corporation to get some of this stuff done. You can do it for your kids' homework if you want to know.
Absolutely.
Now, and who gets to come and visit this place? Is it just an average customer, or do you guys conduct tours? Who gets to come?
Yeah, we have an executive briefing center, and we have a program where we invite our customers to come in. They get a chance to meet with our executives. Because we're here in Lexington and we have our research and development people, we can actually put our customers with direct face-to-face with the people who design these products. They can meet with our executives, and then we have a chance to show them what we can do from a capabilities perspective.
Very good. And we're going to show you some more of those capabilities on a bigger scale when we come back as we tour Lexmark, our neighbor, by the way, for LEX 18.
But first, let's check in with Lee Cruz, because he's over at Lexmark this morning checking out some of their new innovations. Morning, Lee.
Good morning there, guys. Yeah, we're hanging out at their Printing and Solution Showcase, and they have some interesting ways to help different industries as they sort of are the pioneer in the printing industry. We'll tell you about that when we come back. Plus, more news, traffic, and weather on the way in moments as we continue with LEX 18 News at Sunrise. Welcome back to LEX 18 News at Sunrise. We're at Lexmark, the only company in the world that is exclusive to printing, by the way. I just want to let you know that. And, of course, our good friends here in Central Kentucky. And we wanted to focus on, here at their Printing and Solutions Showcase, some of the things they did. I wanted to show you, which is their industry leaders. And, Ellen, I'll let you start with this. This is something that you guys have built for education, and it was pretty much prototyped here in Kentucky, correct?
That's correct. One of the things we try to do is figure ways to help our customers save time, save money, and by using our printers. So we developed a testing and grading solution. And when the teacher comes in the morning, they could simply come up to their printer and select Print Test, and it will ask them how many questions they would like to have on their test and how many students they would like to have that test for. And then once they have a chance to print that test, they can actually give it to their students, and instead of using the old number 2 pencil like we used to, it can be done. Oh, Lee, you took that test.
I did take that test.
Yeah,
I remember that test. Look, that's exactly the way I would take it, too. Trust me.
So we can actually, once that test has been administered, ask the system to grade it for us. And not only does it grade it and give individual results, but what it does is it helps the teacher understand how well they did teaching. Here's an example where you can see most of the students got an A and a B, and Lee, you'd be over here in the F category.
That's no surprise to anybody in my family. But that's amazing that so it's just sort of a scan thing, and then it knows, and we can do this for kids, but we can't count votes in America. Isn't that amazing?
That's amazing. But what's really important is I can see on this test really quickly that all 4 of my students got this particular question wrong. So as a teacher, instead of spending time grading these tests, I can actually spend time teaching my students and re-educating them and making sure that they do understand what it is we're trying to teach.
Very good. Now, when we come back, Ellen, we're going to show you more about what they do here at the Printing Solutions and Printing Showcase, which Lexmark, of course, a huge company for Central Kentucky, and we can't wait to show you what they got coming up next, guys. More great ideas.
At least you're consistent. You know, you made F's back in grade school, and hey,
still making them
you're
now.
Still making them. Yeah.
And F stands for fantastic, as we all know.
There you go.
Thank you,
So
Dia.
proud of you. Let's go check in with Lee Cruz this morning because he's getting a tour of the new showroom over at Lexmark. Good morning, Lee.
Good morning there, guys. Yeah, it's pretty interesting, too. All the things, of course, that Lexmark does. So many things are industry-specific, which you see right there. Manufacturing, pharmaceutical, you've got finance, legal, hospitals, of course, use Lexmark, and even we do, too. As you can see, broadcast, we use this stuff as well. Now, we'll tell you more about the product showcase that we've got here at Lexmark in a moment, plus more news, traffic, and weather on the way as we continue with our big broadcast. You're watching LEX 18 News at Sunrise.
Lee Cruz is over at Lexmark, though, this morning, so let's check in with him.
You know, I could hear Nicole say Joe Jack's Fish and Chicken Shack a few more times if you don't mind.
That's a tongue twister, isn't it?
It really is. It's fun
Hey,
for her
Lee,
to
have
say.
you ever eaten there?
No? Is it good?
I don't know.
Okay.
We may have to find out
We
from
may have to wait a while on that. Now, here's the thing is at Lexmark where they have a showcase where they can show you all the things that they do for different industries. We're going to give you a tour when we come back and talk about some of the things they're doing for the earth as well. You're watching LEX 18 News at Sunrise. Happy birthday to you and a happy birthday to Elizabeth Cummins, who's 14 years old today. We wanted to make sure we got that in. Now, we're at Lexmark. We are at their Printing and Solutions Showcase, and we've been showing you a lot of different things that they do for a lot of different industries, but one of the things that they wanted to focus on, and Jana, who is with me today, is that you guys are helping the environment.
Something we really care about, and that's why we design our printers on purpose so they can be easily recycled. In fact, 99% of the materials in a printer are designed to go right into recycling, which is great. The other thing, you have a couple of things that go into printers. You got
Right.
paper, you got toner.
Okay.
Paper, what do? We help our customers print less.
Yeah.
Less paper hitting the environment. Our printers actually use recycled paper really well. Toner, what do? We help our customers recycle those toner cartridges really easily. In fact, when you're ready to send in your toner cartridge, it's as simple as taking the box, the
So this
label
comes with
that's
the package
there.
and everything that when you
Absolutely.
purchase, you're ready to go?
You put it on the box, and you turn it in, it's free recycling. We have the best statistics in the industry as far as recycling toner cartridges go.
Very good. And again, the Printing and Showcase Solutions, which is Printing and Solutions Showcase, I'll get that right in a minute, is here on the campus of Lexmark. And we certainly do appreciate the tour. It's a very nice facility. You guys are doing a lot of interesting things, Jenna.
Glad to
Thanks
have you guys here.
for having
Thanks
us
for
out.
coming out.
You got it. We appreciate it. Claudia was trying to mail me off there, guys. I don't know if you saw that. That'll do it from here. Kids, back to you two.
I just wanted to salute real quickly the Lexmark runners. I don't know if you did. You know
Oh,
the people
in
that
the
run by the
afternoon.
station every day. You know, I don't know if they're doing it this time of year, but man, those guys.
Sometimes you see them, and sometimes the shorts are a little too short.
Yeah.
What you doing looking?
Have you been looking?
I can't help but look.
You're trifling. Have a good one.
Seriously.